You finally picked your 2022 planner. Let's start using it. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today's video is how to start using your 2022 planner. This video will be really useful to how to actually use your planner so that we can make the most out of our 2022 planner. Let's get started. First tip is to choose the right planner for you. Actually start using your planner. You need to like your planner, right? Because it's the one thing that you will flip throughout 2022. So you should definitely like the planner in general. The cover page is also very important. You're going to see that cover page more often, if not every day. So choose a right planner that you really like if you haven't picked your 2022 planner. So you can check out all my review videos and everything if you're unsure or confused to choose your 2022 planner. Also guys, if you don't own a planner by now, then it's not a worry. There is no set rule that you have to start using your planner from January 1. You can get it at the end of the January or even get it after the first quarter ends as well. Because after the first quarter also, you have 9 months to plan and make the best out of it. My next tip is slow and steady wins the race. Start slow. You don't need to rush. You don't have to set up or fill all the yearly spreads before New Year or at the New Year itself. Just take it slow so that it gives you a lot of time to think about how you can make the particular spread most effective. So go slow and steady. My next tip is to have a planner routine. A planner routine can help us to make planning a habit. If you're starting out in planning journey, then it will be really difficult to stick to the habit of planning it every day. So make planning a part of your routine. My planning routine is very simple. So I have a monthly planning routine first of all, wherein I plan the month. I don't pressurize myself to plan at the first of the month, but I mostly plan my month during the first week of that month itself. I do the weekly planning on Sundays. Weekly planning is a part of my weekly reset routine. And coming to daily planning, I plan my day the night before. But some days I can become lazy or I will procrastinate planning. That day, I will just plan it in the morning. That's it. So this is my simple yet functional planning routine. I have a set specific period of time when I plan my month, when I plan my week, and when I plan every day. So likewise, have a set routine for yourself in order to incorporate your planning into your daily life. My next tip is to customize your planner according to your needs and wants. So planner is basically a tool that is going to help you to be productive, that is going to help you remember stuff, act as a reminder, that going to act as a task manager. It has to work for you, right? So for that, you need to make it work for you. So customize it. If you don't feel like one spread is not working for you or that spread is like kind of useless to you, then you can just change it and alter it according to your needs. Let me actually give you an example. So this is kind of like a yearly calendar thing. As you guys can see, it's a overall yearly overview for 2022 and 2023. I feel it of no use for me personally. So I've just changed into 2 useful spreads that will really help me in personally. So this is like ways to de-stress. I will just fill out the ways that I can de-stress so that whenever I feel stress, I can pick it one activity or thing and I can do it. And as well as this is something like things to do when you feel overwhelmed, stuck, confused or not okay in general. So here I will just write like a to-do list that I can follow. So basically I just converted it and customized it according to my needs. So this is an ink bucket planner which I'm going to use it for my personal needs. So since it's a personal planner, so I just incorporated the personal stuff that will be really useful for me whenever I flip through this planner. If you're a student and you don't need this expense tracker, you can convert it into like an assignment tracker or an exam tracker. There will be some spread that we really like and there will be some spreads that we don't want at all. So just customize it according to your needs. Next tip is out of sight is equal to out of mind. So if something is out of our eyesight, then it can be out of our mind gradually. Like if you have a desk, keep your planner on the desk. Like if you write a to-do list for the day and just keep it open like this, and so that you can see the task for the day and just act accordingly, so that you don't have to flip through all the way to take one to-do list. So keep it open so that it can be easier. My next tip is to be, don't try to be perfect. It is your planner. Your planner don't have to be perfect. It don't have to be aesthetic. It don't have to be cute. It don't have to be Instagram picture worthy. It just have to be functional to you. That's it. Always functional planning is important than aesthetic or prettiness in planning. My final tip is don't be hard on yourself. When you're beginning with planning, you may skip some days or even weeks, or even sometimes when you're burned out, or if you're not in a good mental state, you may even skip months not planning or not using your planner. And that is totally okay. Don't be hard on yourself. It's totally okay. It's totally normal to do that way. And just plan whenever you're at the right headspace to plan things out. That's it for today's video. I hope this video might be useful for you guys. If you find this video helpful, then give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what other videos you guys want to watch in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.